Clenergy's PV-ezRack engineered solutions allow for ease of adjustment and installation. Now, to actually install this roof tile bracket here, I use the Torx bit that's in this impact driver, and during the process as well, I'll use this manual tool. Let's have a look at doing it. Now, because I'm in the Clenergy studio and not on a rooftop, I'll actually have my assistant Wright come in. Wright, would you mind coming in and helping just to hold this bit of timber? I'm going to use the impact driver, and I'm going to get one of our batten screws that's got the Torx X tip on it, and I essentially will put a batten screw into the timber, and a second batten screw just to give it security. Thanks for your work, right? It's fantastic. And you can see the bracket now is secured to the timber. So for the next step of this installation, I'm actually going to get a bit of my Toyota rail out of the magic box, and I'm just going to click it in to the easy click connection, and then I'm actually going to get my impact driver and just fasten that screw off. Quite an easy, simple process, and within seconds we're installed. With the assembly that I have in front of me with the Toyota rail, I'm just going to get out my easy clamp and simply easily install it. Now that that's installed, I will get the grounding clamp, I'll slide it over, and again, 2 more steps are done in this installation. Now, whilst I'm only staging an environment and this isn't on a rooftop, this apparatus gives you enough understanding of how easy this goes together. But once you've got your module on top, you'll need to put on the grounding lug, and I'm just going to slide this across. Here we go, put it in position and make sure the driver's in the right direction going forward, and it's now fastened. Just to give you an idea, this simple step took not a lot of time, and this is why we've got such an amazing solution in our box for you to look at. For example, and with our market expertise, we know that a 12 panel installation will only take around 2.5 hours. That's a 2 to 3 man and an apprentice potentially carrying the rails and the panels. This is a simple, safe, efficient, cost-saving solution. The SRP 2.0, it's incredible. Now that this Clenergy Technologies PV-ezRack Magic Box has arrived and it's available in our Hamburg warehouse, if you're anywhere in the EU or the UK, simply drop us a line and make sure you get to open up one of these amazing boxes and teach your customers and yourselves about this beautiful SRP 2.0 product. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to know more about PVezRack solar mounting systems, certainly contact us at clenergy.com, and remember, like, share, and just experience everything that we have to offer that we can educate you with, because we're all in this together. Let's make sure we do our bit to help save the planet.